So today we will talk about a new index which came recently, Global Manufacturing Risk Index, and in which this actually released by the US Department. So that's why we are talking about the Global Manufacturing Risk Index. So firstly, this report, actually this index is released by the US based property consultant Kussman and Wakefield. This is important because this report is released by this department. So remember that, and it assesses the most advantageous locations for the manufacturing. So whatever is the manufacturing, as you know, manufacturing is the primary, secondary sector. So it's a secondary sector. Manufacturing is also known as the secondary sector, and among the 47 countries of Europe and the Americas and the Asia Pacific. So it assesses the 47 countries and what are the manufacturing globally manufacturing competitive countries actually decided by this report. So this is very important. Another is the firstly India is at the third. So firstly the China, US and then India. But what happened this time? India found at the second position after the China, and now is the second most sought manufacturing destination globally, and India now is at the second position after the China. So this is the most important point of this report, which is released by the consultant Kussman and Wakefield. So this is the very important. As you know, if you talk about during the COVID-19, what happened that there are the manufacturing industry due to the COVID, actually China is responsible, and that's why there are the various relocation from China is taking place, and India is at that time becoming the most favorite, and especially the Asian countries, actually the Vietnam as well, Indonesia, these are the countries which becoming the most manufacturing destination. So that's why now we will talk about the parameters. So if we talk about the parameters, means what are the indicators used in the global manufacturing risk index. There are basically the four indicators. First is the bounce back, in which what happened that ability to restart the manufacturing. As you know, there are the vaccination going on in the country and pandemic is actually spreading. So in that, whenever the vaccine actually took place, so your ability to restart manufacturing as fast as possible. So this is the first indicator. Another is the conditions. There will be a business environment including the availability of talent, labor and access to market is another. And if you talk about the cost, another, as you know, labor, electricity, real estate, means whatever house actually take on rent, known as the real estate. Another is the risk involved, political environment and economic. So these are the four indicators used in the global manufacturing risk index. As you know, now India is at the second position. So India is the second position, and here is the China and now the US, and after that there is a Canada. So what is the upliftment? So from the third position, now India is at the second position. So what are the reasons given by this global manufacturing risk index? Is first is the India's operating conditions and cost competitiveness. As you know, actually government is day by day focusing on the competition, and that's why one of the reason. Another is the younger workforce. As you know, 65% of population 65% of population below the 35 years of age, and that's why younger workforce and with innovation. As you know, young talent actually give the innovation in the manufacturing. Another is the relocation from China during the COVID-19 pandemic. So these are the regions which actually lift India from the third position to the second position, and after the China, now India is the second most favored manufacturing destination globally. So this is all about the global manufacturing risk index. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.